Welcome to the demonstration video series for the Arctic Landscape Conservation Cooperative's project tracking system. This is the first video in the series. This video will give a general overview of the PTS, consisting of a brief presentation followed by a look at the PTS itself. For more information about the Arctic LCC, go to arcticlcc.org. Questions or comments may be sent to staff@arcticlcc.org. After doing a search for existing software solutions, the Arctic LCC determined that no existing solutions would meet all of the LCC's needs for a project tracking system. In particular, the Arctic LCC needed a system to track project metadata, manage contacts, manage proposals and agreements, including pre-proposals and modifications, track deliverables, track funding, manage basic spatial data, and to assist the Arctic LCC with sharing data. Additional requirements included developing a web-based system that was built using open source software, easily maintainable, yet user-friendly and flexible. The system should also implement and use existing standards whenever possible. The basic model of the PTS is shown here. Note that the contacts are also related to many other elements in the system. Currently, keywords are drawn from NASA's Global Master Change Directory Science Keywords List. The main user interface of the PTS is a web browser client built using a combination of several open source JavaScript frameworks, including EXTJS, OpenLayers, and GeoEXT. The web client communicates with the server component using a RESTful JSON interface. The server component currently utilizes the Silex PHP micro framework and a PostgreSQL PostGIS database. However, the web client could communicate with a different server-side architecture that implemented the same RESTful interface. The PTS is cross-browser compatible and the server-side architecture is cross-platform. Current features implemented in the PTS include tracking project milestones, including agreements, proposals, modifications and deliverables, a contact manager, a project calendar, reporting, funding and invoice tracking, a simple spatial feature manager, and extensive support for user comments. Possible future features include export of project and data metadata, document management, iCalendar support, optional user reminders, a new project wizard, and an auditing system. The PTS will support the Alaska Data Integration Working Group, or ADIWIG, metadata standards. The ADIWIG project and data metadata standards facilitate data sharing among participating organizations. For more information about ADIWIG, go to www.aoos.org/ADIWIG. The source code for the PTS will be publicly available on GitHub at github.com/arcticlcc. Comments and suggestions, including edits or patches, are welcome.